Hi friend, welcome to the abstract algebra class. In this class, we will prove the theorem. It is class 14. Theorem in a group G, if A belongs to G, then order of A equal to order of A inverse. Order of an element equal to the order of inverse of that element. Let G be a group and A belongs to G. Let order of A equal to P. A belongs to G. Order of A equal to P. Order of A inverse equal to Q. We have to prove that P equal to Q since they are equal. So we have to prove that P equal to Q. Since order of A equal to P implies P is the least positive integer. Order of A equal to P implies P is the least positive integer. According to the definition of order of an element, we can say that P is the least positive integer such that A to the power P equal to E. E is identity element. Implies A both side we take whole to the power minus 1 from both side here. A to the power P whole to the power minus 1 equal to E to the power minus 1. Implies A to the power minus 1 whole to the power P equal to A. Since E to the power minus 1 equal to E implies O order of A inverse less than or equal to P. It will the order of A inverse maybe it will be P or less than P, not more than P. And order of A inverse equal to Q from here. Order of A to the power minus 1 equal to Q implies it is equal to Q, but this is also less than P. Therefore, it implies Q less than or equal to P. We call it relation 1. Further, order of A inverse equal to Q implies A to the power minus 1 whole to the power Q equal to E. When order of A inverse equal to Q, then we can write A to the power minus 1 whole to the power Q equal to E, according to the definition of order of an element. Implies A to the power minus Q equal to E. Implies A to the power minus Q whole to the power minus 1 equal to E to the power minus 1. We take both sides power minus 1. Implies A to the power Q, when we multiply this to 1, we will get A to the power Q equal to E and order of A equal to P. From here, order A equal to P implies order of A less than or equal to Q. Implies P less than or equal to Q. From 1 and 2 here 1 Q less than or equal to P. Also we get question 2 relation 2 P less than or equal to Q. Therefore P equal to Q implies order of A equal to order of A inverse. Hence proof, which is we got the result. Next theorem, the order of any positive integral, the order of any positive integral power of an element Pi in a group G cannot exceed the order of A. It will be less or it will be equal or less than the order of A. That is, in a group G, order of A to the power M less than or equal to A to the A, order of A. M belongs to natural number. Proof. Let G be a group, A belongs to G, A be an element of G. Let order of A equal to N, order of A be N, if M is the positive integer such that A to the power M is the any positive integer, not less than or a least positive. A to the power m also belongs to G. Since order of A equal to n, from here order of n, here order of A equal to n implies A to the power n. According to the definition of order of element, we can write A to the power n equal to E. E is identity element in G. Implies A to the power n whole to the power m equal to E to the power m. Implies A to the power n into the m, we multiply this, E to the power m equal to A. Implies A to the power m whole to the power n equal to A. Implies A to the power m less than or equal to n. Implies order of A to the power m less than or equal to order of A. M is the order of A. Therefore, order of A less than or equal to A, for A belongs to G, M also belongs to natural number, hence proof. We got the result. Order of A to the power m less than or equal to order of A. Thank you, friends.